Hey shoppers, today we have premium stainless steel mixing bowls. I'm so excited about this product. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna use them. And I'm gonna show you what's inside. So it comes packaged really nicely, as you can see. Great gift idea. They have lids. I love that they have lids. And it comes with, so each bowl, there's a variety of sizes. Each bowl has stackable lids, plastic stackable lids, and the bowl itself is stainless steel. It comes with graters, so they attach to the top of the bowl and you can grate your cheese. If you do salads, I like to grate the carrots in the salads. So these would attach onto the smaller bowl and you can see there's a grate. So you can do cheese, carrots, and things like that. If you have like a fettuccine Alfredo dish and you wanna do fresh Parmesan, you can easily do that. So, oh, look at this. Nice anti-slip bottoms with a stainless steel inside. And then this is the matching lid so that you can easily store your food in the fridge for later. Fits really snug. These are really nice. Wow. Oh, you can see they have the measuring on the inside. So say you're making cookies and you want to be able to measure your water, your flour, and things like that. There is the measuring lines and numbers on the inside. Nice and large. I love large bowls that you can travel with, bake with. And the large one has the measuring lines here too on the inside. So the big one has a lid. Now this is the seal. So say you want to keep it sealed and put it in the fridge, or if you want to use it to grate, you can do that. So that fits in there nicely. You can do your block of cheese and have it grate into your salad or your dish. Carrots, cucumbers,